Damn, son.
Welcome to another episode. In this episode, I have here a tutorial of how to make your own working lamp for under $30. I made this lamp with common materials you can find on, by example, on Home Depot. I use a fluorescent lamp, but instead of use the fluorescent bulbs, I use LED bulbs T8. Each bulb costs like $7, and the lamp itself, if remember well, was $13, and one piece of 2x4 wood by 8, and another piece of 4 feet of 1x4. Okay guys, if you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe. I want to explain you, I made the same video in Spanish and English, so in case you see a notification of a new video and the title is in Spanish, and in 1 or 2 days you are going to get the English version. Also, please give a like if you like the video, and share my videos with your friend, or leave a comment down below if you have any question. Also, I'm going to leave a link to Amazon for the bulbs and lamp in case you want to grab something. If you can see here at this moment in the video, I'm using a method called pocket hole. I don't have the tool, but I'm doing that manual. It's not that difficult if you follow the steps I'm using right now. Also, don't forget to apply glue whenever you affix two parts. I want to explain you guys, I made this project 1.5 year ago, or 1 year and 3 or 4 months ago, and this lamp is still going strong. Don't show any sign of rotten. Everything is like new, and this lamp survived the Hurricane Irma and Maria. And as you can see in the background, my garage is open in the backside to the elements, so take that in consideration. This working lamp is adjustable and is pretty powerful. On the end of the video, I'm going to show how bright it is. If you compare this, if you made a comparison of these 35 something dollar homemade adjustable lamp, you compare with a top brand like $80-90 I see on Home Depot, like Ryobi or Milwaukee, cost like $190. This one outperformed completely the big name brands lamp. So make sure to stay to the end of the video so you can see how this work and turns out. guys, I mean all about to recycle stuff. As you can see, these aluminum pieces are window screen channel I have laying around, and I decided to make these little strap pieces to give something more stiffness to the legs. Well guys, if in case you don't notice well in the screen, I am using an L-shaped brackets that comes in a package of 20 for $1 something on Home Depot, and I'm using 2 in each side so the lamp have some more adjustability on this point. remember, share my videos with your friends, and as always, get your hands dirty and make it happen. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.